Hey there! Welcome to Industrial Engineering Simplified course. I am an experienced industrial engineer, and I teach inspiring industrial engineers from zero to hero. Learn how to become an industrial engineer easily where I make the teaching simplified. Save your time from reading expensive books that cost $1,000 or more. This course is straight to the point on what you need to know to be successful. Let's get started. Let's look at the agenda and sections we will be covering. Section 1, Introduction. Section 2, Test your knowledge. Section 3, What the job description don't tell you. Section 4, Basic manufacturing terminology. Section 5, Industrial engineer terminology. Section 6, What is Kaizen? Section 7, 8, Waste. Section 8, Visual management. Section 9, Math. Section 10, Problem-solving tools. Section 11, Organization tools. Section 12, Test time and gift for you. Let's jump to the introduction section. Introduction. Welcome to the course and taking the first steps to becoming a professional industrial engineer. I have experience in the automotive and HVAC company as an industrial engineer. I learned from very experienced engineers throughout my journey. I noticed that you will find other courses talk about industrial engineering tools you will never use. Well, I am here to teach you the tools and mindset that you need to be successful. So what is an industrial engineer? To put simply, an industrial engineer is a creative, logical problem solver that helps save the company money. You will make decisions that is best for the employees and management. You will be doing time studies, visual management, and improving ergonomics through projects. If you do not know these terms, do not worry, we will go over it in this course. How exciting!